Welcome to today's news. Odisha Civil Services Examination 2025. Registration starts for 265 posts at https opsc.gov.in. Odisha Public Service Commission will start the registration process for Odisha Civil Services Exam 2025 on January 10, 2025. Candidates who want to apply for Odisha Civil Services Preliminary Examination 2025 can visit the official website of OPSC at opsc.gov.in. The registration process will end on February 10, 2025. This recruitment is for filling 265 posts in Odisha government services. Candidates have a bachelor's degree can apply to the examination. The age limit of the candidate should be between 21 to 38 years old. The selection process will be made up of a objective type preliminary examination to select candidates for the main examination, followed by a main written examination and interview to select candidates for the various services and posts. The Odisha Civil Services 2025 prelims exam will be held in July 2025. Vacancy details: Odisha Administrative Service 30 posts, Odisha Finance Service 46 posts, Odisha Taxation and Accounts Service 62 posts, Odisha Cooperative Audit Service 5 posts, Odisha Cooperative Service 14 posts, Odisha Revenue Service 43 posts. For more details, candidates can visit the official website of OPSC https opsc.gov.in. For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https studyforsure.com. Thank you.